In this brief video, we're going to talk about how Profisee can supercharge your cross-selling efforts. Almost every company sees the benefits of cross-selling additional products and services to their customers. In addition to increasing revenues when done right, cross-selling can also increase customer stickiness and reduce customer churn, improve margins, by both avoiding the cost of new customer acquisition and also through opportunities to streamline customer service, support advanced AI-driven recommendation engines, and lock out competitors. With all these advantages, it is no wonder most organizations are already working to cross-sell products and services. However, many organizations struggle to do so effectively. Why is that? In order to be truly effective at cross-selling, you need to fully understand your customers and every relationship they have with your organization, spanning your own business lines and product offerings. You must also understand your customers in detail, not only understanding their corporate structure regarding corporate parents, children, and siblings, but also down to the organizational unit and business line. Lastly, in order to maximize cross-sell potential, you must also know which of your products and services are a good fit for upselling and cross-selling based upon what your customers have already purchased and how your products and services can meet the specific needs of each business unit and business function. For most organizations, doing all three of these things is quite challenging. Many organizations have multiple customer-facing sales teams, independent business units, or totally separate product lines. These realities are sometimes driven by the need for specialization, but just as likely are a result of past mergers or acquisitions. Data about your existing customers spans multiple systems. For example, you may have customers in your CRM, purchase history in your order fulfillment system, customers, products, and ship-to locations in your ERP, and customer outreach in a marketing automation platform or customer data platform. Further complicating things, these systems and data silos are often replicated for each business line or product family. It is pretty clear that this disparate data needs to be aggregated to effectively cross-sell, but simply pulling all the data into an enterprise data warehouse or data lake is not enough. That is because the data are often inconsistent, incomplete, duplicated, inaccurate, and as a B2B organization, your customers themselves are often really complex. The companies you do business with are constantly changing and evolving through relocations, acquisitions, divestitures, joint ventures, and legal entity restructuring. For example, your organization may have had a long-standing relationship selling Durofit sealants in support of DuPont's production of Dacron and Lycra. In 2004, this part of DuPont's business was sold to Koch Industries as a wholly owned subsidiary in Vista. This kind of corporate change presents both a threat and an opportunity. As a potential threat, perhaps the new parent company Koch Industries has a favorable relationship with your top competitor. As an opportunity, there may be opportunities to expand your relationship with Koch by selling products to sibling subsidiaries such as Georgia-Pacific. The net impact is there is no reliable, complete record of the total customer relationship across customer parents, children, and siblings, or across your own internal lines of business or product families. With all of these challenges, many organizations' cross-selling efforts are largely ad hoc, based upon the sales organization's gut feel, or worse, based upon incomplete and inaccurate customer insights. The net impact is missed opportunities to expand revenue. Marketing and sales teams across business lines are unaware of potential cross-sell opportunities, which means they miss opportunities to grow deals with additional products and services and find it impossible to simply identifying high-probability cross-business line sales pursuits. Inconsistent interactions across customer teams. By not understanding which cross-business line product and services are already acquired by the customer, independent teams do not understand the total customer relationship, are often unaware of each other's actions, are unaware of the customer's total value to the business, and engage in uncoordinated activities. This can lead to customer frustration, poor customer service, and potentially even customer churn. High sales, general, and administrative costs, and ultimately lower margins. Selling to and servicing existing customers is always more cost-effective than acquiring new customers. For business-to-business organizations, new customer acquisition costs can range from $1,000 to over $20,000. Emerging customer needs fulfilled by competitors. Without effective cross-marketing and cross-selling, your customers are likely not aware of your full portfolio of product and service offerings. For this reason, emerging customer needs may be fulfilled by competitors in your market. This not only results in lost revenue, but also can introduce competitors that create future pricing pressure or ultimately even lead to customer churn. In order to grow revenues, reduce SG&A, increase margins, and prevent customer churn, it is imperative in a competitive market to cross-sell. However, even with this as a known imperative, many organizations struggle to cross-sell effectively. The key to effective cross-selling is unraveling complex customers and relationships to those customers, even when the data necessary to do so is siloed, incomplete, inaccurate, or duplicated. This is where Profisee comes in. Profisee brings adaptive fuzzy matching to resolve complex commercial identities, even when key information such as tax ID or DUNS number are missing or incorrect. Profisee can enrich mastered customer data with third-party data providers such as Dun and Bradstreet to unravel the constantly changing tangle of corporate mergers, acquisitions, joint ventures, and divestitures, creating a single, reliable source of truth for your customers, as well as their corporate children, siblings, and parents at any point in time. Even with best-in-class matching and configurable rules, there is some information that can often only be gathered based upon direct customer interaction, such as details about your customers' lines of business or organizational units. In this scenario, you need an easy-to-use platform that can capture and curate these details as they are gathered through direct customer interactions, either directly through web portal forms or through integration to your CRM platforms. Profisee can be easily configured with user-friendly forms or direct CRM integration to capture these essential details. Additionally, Profisee can be configured with data quality rules and actionable workflows to ensure that these details are complete and have been reviewed and agreed upon by your customer-facing teams. The unique capabilities of Profisee's advanced adaptive MDM platform are the key to helping your organization supercharge your cross-selling efforts. With complete, timely, and accurate information on your existing customer base, the products and services they own, you will be able to clearly identify the opportunities for selling additional products, and your marketing and sales teams will be empowered to increase cross-selling efficiently and effectively. The impacts of effective cross-selling are significant. Companies that effectively cross-sell are able to increase customer lifetime value, increase customer profitability, reduce customer churn, and gain competitive advantage. Visit our use case library to learn more about how Profisee can work with your organization to supercharge your cross-selling efforts.